Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Um, Welcome back to our lesson today. And today I wanna tell you about how to make um yeah Flutter REST API. All right. So right here I have coding my code myself. All right. So if you wanna make API with Flutter, first you have to go to the previous Laravel project. Yeah, my previous video, I named my project is REST API project in Laravel, right? So in this case, uh, I wanna open the this API, and I will include this API into the Flutter. Okay, so let's restart it. In this case, I was turn on the server at port 300, right? So just go to my previous video and you can see my project, right? So you can follow it. Okay. In this REST API in Laravel, we just open this server, right? To connect to Post API, Postman. Yeah. In this case, I use the Postman to get this API like this. All right. And yeah, and in the first video, I have to describe about that. So let's go to Flutter. Okay. Mm, in this case, yeah, let's make like this, and I will describe simplify for you. Okay. So the first we have to make yeah a stateless widget. We a stateless widget in main.dart. Okay. With widget is this like this. Why we use multi-provider? Multi-provider use it for these two data. Yeah, mahasiswa provider and mahasiswa model. I don't know it's what they looks like, but it's useful. It's used to provider and models. Okay. For material apps, I use the bug show checked model banner, and I have to use false because um, even you make um I'm sorry, even you made a Flutter project, the there is a the bug banner here in your project, right? So I use this to make this disappear. Okay. In detail I use Flutter mahasiswa with the data. I use color scheme, yeah, like this. With color is deep purple. Use material tree. I use true. And yeah, the home is home page. Where's the home page? Yeah, in this page, home page dot dart. Okay, if you like this, it will go to this home page dot dart. Okay, so in home page dot dart, I use stateful widget where is uh that's data. It will not change while in the Flutter project I change the data. Okay, it's simplify like that. Or if you didn't understand with my description, you can find um another description about that. Okay. uh, the next we will go to this main widget. Okay, sorry. Okay. Okay. In this case, uh before this, yeah, ignore this before I describe about this. Okay, so we go to the scaffold. In the scaffold is in website mean body, alright? Okay, the body. Yeah, like this. Scaffold is all about like HTML. Okay, like HTML. In this background color, I use color gray shade 300 with app bar. In app bar, I use text mahasiswa with fonts is Google Fonts dot poppins. In the safe area, in the body I use safe area. Where is it? Include padding. So yeah, like this. We make this so okay. Excuse me. Let me run my project before. Okay. Okay. This way I think it take several minutes. I think several yeah, several seconds or several minutes. Okay. So yeah, with padding like this. Okay. Yeah. So this is the API, but before I will describe about this before. Okay. Before API. Yeah, just follow this like this. And about this is will generate this table. Okay. So this table is this. About row, I use this to make space. Yeah, with image, this image, it's me. Yeah, okay, just follow. With about image, you can use another image and it okay your own image. But before that, you have to use you have to install before Google Font. I mean like this. Sorry, if you have to install this with code is Flutter pub uh Flutter pub get no, 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 no. Yeah, Flutter pub at Google Fonts. Yeah, yeah, I'm sorry. So you have to use this code, use code Flutter pub at Google Font Provider and HTTP in pubspec.yaml. Sorry, let me check. Okay, okay. You have to install Google Fonts Provider and HTTP with this Flutter pub at HTTP Provider and Google Fonts. Um, and go to asset uh and type this. All right, uncomment this line and type this so it will go to right to here. Okay, where it where's this is my image. All right, like this. I'm sorry. Yeah, like this. Okay, so type like this to make your image will include in your code. Okay, i forget about I forget to tell you about that. After you add this yeah, this provider Google Phone and etc, uh the next step is yeah, Flutter pub get. Okay, with column just yeah, just follow like what I type. With text is mahasiswa, cross align alignment is star, and main axis alignment is center. Okay, with colors gray in text, You use size box to make this. This is the size box, right? What this is the size box right here. Okay, yeah, just do that. And to provider, yeah, let's see the provider. Oh, before that I will see the model. Oh, I'm sorry, I mean provider. In the provider, we will make new, I mean new variable, a new widget. I think in that. I'm sorry, I didn't know a lot about that. Yeah, mahasiswa provider. All right, we can find it at this mahasiswa provider. So I make a list mahasiswa with array. Sorry. Uh, yeah, with this, just follow this sentence. So I add notify listener to update that data. Okay. Yes. I also boolean, right, like this, and this is true. I always notify listener again to if we want to update, it will, yeah, it will give our, I think notify listener is give um not attention but just alert to this master provider to update the data. Okay, so next, the future. We use the future uh to make the data we loading and loading like this. So we use the future to generate this before this, before this, before this, before this, and a lot of your data. Okay, so we use assign. So yeah, we use a synchronous, not a synchronous. Okay, this is uh in master surface. I will tell you what after I tell you this. With catch error, we will throw exception. Just type gagal. Okay, so we go to mahasiswa surface right here. In the mahasiswa surface, this is our API will use it. Okay, it's same like this. Okay, where this API from here, from our Laravel project before. Okay, so we use this API from Laravel before to Flutter. We take, so yeah, like I told you, this in this case we took Laravel API into a Flutter. Okay, yeah, I think like that. Just follow my code. Okay, while I describe about, yeah, yeah, in the URI parser URL, all right, with HTTP. So before we have to download, yeah, HTTP, all right, it will use it right here. To make this API will will get by my SQL service. Yeah. This is about JSON decode. Yeah. So database. I mean data. I'm sorry. So the Flutter will read um this API with JSON. Okay. It will, yeah, respond body dot data this. Okay. Yeah, like this. If there's a failure, they will throw exception as gagal. Mm, and yeah, this is mahasiswa. And go to mahasiswa model. Where is it? This feature will take this into mahasiswa model. All right. There's include. Mm, Sorry, I'm sorry. I think it's wrong. So yeah, we make this database. Ah, I'm sorry. It's not database. I'm sorry. I'm actually used. I'm actually say the database, but this API. I'm sorry. So we take. So we will make this. All right. It will same like this. Okay. With database one. With database table is ID, name, phone, create, and update. This is right. Okay. You can follow this code, or you can create something like that, and it will show in this place. Okay, so in the get data, we will use a filter delay with duration 1 second to generate the data, so it will have a time to generate all about data. Okay, with asynchronous, we will await the provider of mahasiswa provider generate a context, but listen is false, so it will get the mahasiswa. Where's the get mahasiswa? Right here. Okay, it will take the data that's API to this. Okay, in the void init state, we make a void init state to yeah, you can find that to into Google, I think, and just type a get data to make data will show like this, and yeah, this is the result. The result about my code about this. You can style like it do you want. Okay, before that, I have a magic for you. If we comment this, what shall we do? What's it happen? What will happen to my project? You can see it. All right. This is what I say. What this is what I tell you. The bug checker, the bug checker model banner. It's nonsense, right? So I'm sorry. And the flutter, you have to reload with hot reload. Yeah, and it will be like this. And you see, this will make your eyes much better, right? By the way, you can use another device like Microsoft Edge, Windows, or your device. But in this case, I didn't install Android Studio, so I use this what? Yeah, I'll use this website. Okay. Ah, come on. Okay, sorry. So, what shall I tell you more? Yeah, I think that's all from me. Maybe I make um yeah mistake about my project. So I'm sorry if I make a mistake. So yeah, I think that's all from me today. I hope you can understand about what I told you. But yeah, if you wanna install this, don't forget to use this Flutter Pub app. Just go and type this. It's CDP provider and Google Fonts. What do you want, right? Quick asset, you type this, make this folder, name it image, and yeah. So if I wanna the example is like this, right? um where is it, this image, right? Whoa, 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 whoa. sorry, go to image. Just change my name like yeah.jpg. It will change, of course. Go to homepage. All right, go to homepage and where is it? Image kia.jpg. What shall it happen? Hot reload. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. It's not what I forgot to pub get. All right. So yeah, I'm sorry. I forgot to pub get. So if you want to pub get, yeah, like this, pub get package. All right. I think that's all from me. Hmm. Sorry if I make a mistake. See you guys in the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next time, sir. See you next time, everybody. And